In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get ChatGPT 4.0 for free in Slack via Sidekick. If you want direct AI help inside Slack without setting up paid API access, this method gives you a simple way to do it through Sidekick by Jigso. Sidekick can help with drafting content, brainstorming ideas, generating copy, and in some cases, even in working with connected tools and summarizing longer conversations. Before you begin, make sure you have permission to add apps to your Slack workspace. If app installations are restricted, the request may need approval from your administrator. First, open your web browser and go to Jigso's official website. From there, choose the option to sign up or get started for free. You'll need to create your account before connecting anything to Slack. You can register using a Google account, an Apple account, or your work email tied to the Slack workspace where you want to use Sidekick. Use whichever option fits your setup best and complete the registration so your profile is ready. Once you're signed in and inside the Jigso dashboard, the next part is connecting Slack. Look for the integrations area or a button labeled Connect Slack. Click that button and you'll be redirected to Slack's secure authorization page. This is the point where Slack asks you to confirm access for the app. On the authorization screen, take a moment to check that the correct Slack workspace is selected in the top right corner. This is especially important if you belong to more than one workspace because you want to install Sidekick in the right one. Then review the permissions the bot is requesting. When you're ready, scroll down and click Allow or Authorize. After that, your browser should send you back to the Jigso dashboard where you'll see confirmation that your Slack workspace has been connected successfully. Now it's time to make Sidekick available where your team will actually use it. Open Slack, either in the desktop app or in your browser, and go to the public or private channel where you want AI assistance. Click into the message box and type the invite command exactly like this. /invite space at Sidekick, then send it. This step brings the bot into that specific channel so it can participate there when needed. If you plan to use Sidekick in multiple channels, repeat that same invite process in each one. That way, the assistant is available in the spaces where conversations are happening instead of only being installed at the workspace level. Once that's done, you're set up and ready to start using ChatGPT 4.0 style assistance directly